Good morning, beautiful. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Charlene Town and I share healthy habits and simple recipes. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I love you so much. Today's video is a little bit different. I'm officially sharing a mini series sharing my elimination diet journey with you guys. And this is day one of taking you along for the ride. Because you guys, I have been in psoriatic arthritis, flare after flare for the last year now. And I have finally decided that it's time to slow down, it's time to reset, and get really intentional with what I'm eating and how I'm supporting my body. We'll sit down and chat more later about why I'm doing this and about what is changing. But right now I need to make some chicken poppers so that I can set myself up for success tomorrow, because I'm still making protein a priority even while eating a super simple whole foods elimination diet. So if you're ready, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump into today's video. Okay, you guys, if you guys have been here for a minute, you guys know that I love to add like a chicken patty or 2 chicken patties to my morning breakfast just to boost my protein in the morning. And I want to share a new recipe with you guys. We have this delicious chicken poppers recipe that me and my husband have been making for a few years now. I will put the recipe that I'm using in the description box down below. It's not mine, it's just one that my husband and I found a couple years ago and we love it. And I was thinking, like, I just really want something super delicious. I'm kind of stuck. I feel like I've been eating the same foods over and over and over again, and I just need something really tasty. So let's make some chicken poppers. All right, ladies, we are back. It's a little bit later that day, and I'm actually making our dinner tonight now because Doug's gonna come home from work. I think he's gonna come home from work early, which means I get to book myself into a class tonight, which I'm really excited about. It's a yoga sculpt class. So I just wanted to make sure that dinner was meal prepped and ready to go. Also, Doug found this recipe. Let me see what it's actually called. I think it's like a chicken pot pie soup, and we're modifying it to make it, first of all, so that I can eat it, and then also we're gonna do bone broth. So this will be my new bone broth soup to eat in the mornings. Chicken pot pie soup, grain-free, gluten-free, but it looks incredible. Anyway, I will list the original recipe in the description box down below. Like, I'll put the link in it for you guys so you guys can check it out if that's something that you want. I'll just show you guys, I'm gonna montage over it, and then I will let you know how it tastes at the end. We're gonna do our check-in, and then we'll go to a class. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I am so excited. I booked into a yoga sculpt class. I am heading in right this second. I'm gonna try to film a little bit when I'm in there. We'll see how many people are in the class, but I'm so excited. Liv cried the whole time. I'm so sad, but I gotta go. Okay, I'll check in after. Bye. So I told you guys that we were gonna sit down and do a little check-in about why I'm doing this elimination diet and what I'm doing and all the things. And I saved it till the end just in case it wasn't something that people were interested in. But really quick, I just wanted to share a couple thoughts about that soup that I just made. One, if you follow the recipe, don't do 4 breasts of chicken. It was way too much. And then when you pan cook it, slice the chicken breasts in half so that they're thinner. They'll cook faster because mine, I cooked the way they told me to and they were like raw in the middle. So I had to cook them again. Anyway, just wanted to throw that out there. Also, my workout class was amazing. I loved it so much. And I have so many ideas about what I want to do for my class that I'm going to be teaching on Tuesdays, and I'm excited. That being said, let's do this quick little check-in. The reason that I am doing this elimination diet is because over the past year, I have been going into psoriatic arthritis flare after flare. I've been putting on weight over the last couple years. I've been very open and honest about sharing that with you guys here on the channel. And the biggest thing is, like, this year I have been in so many psoriatic arthritis flares. I've been in a lot of pain. And then when we got back from our trip from Maui, I was limping really bad. My right foot, like the right side of my body, was really bad. And so I was just like, it's not worth it. Like, this isn't worth it. I've been working with a holistic doctor for the last 2.5 years now. I've been working on balancing hormones and cortisol, and nothing seems to be working. And so I'm going back to the basics of what I know works, and I know what works for me, and that is to reduce inflammation from the inside out. And so where I eat a very clean, low anti-inflammatory diet, I have started incorporating more of like protein powders, and I've been trying to eat more different varieties of foods to help make my gut do better. And I just think I need to get back to basics. So I am doing this elimination diet to reduce inflammation in my body so that I don't go into flares, so that I can work out the way I want to and move my body the way I want to and live the life that I really want to. Yeah, so that's why I'm doing it. This is the same diet that I did back in 2017. It's a 30-day elimination diet inside the book, The Paleo Cure by Chris Kresser. I will pop that book up right here. I talk about it all the time. It's actually the elimination diet I teach inside my programs, Food Freedom and Nourish 360. It's really easy to follow. You're not counting macros, you're not counting calories, you're genuinely just eating whole foods and listening to your body. You take out all of these foods. So for me, it's no alcohol, no dairy, no gluten, no processed foods. I cut out eggs this time, which I've never done before, and peanut butter, which I've never done before. I don't do beans. I already know that beans aren't good for my body. So yeah, like, I just cut a bunch of things out of my diet. I'm taking it out for 30 days, and then in 30 days, I'll slowly start to reintroduce those foods back into my body. And the way it's set up inside this book, The Paleo Cure, it's just a really easy protocol to follow. Whereas doing an elimination diet is definitely not like an easy thing to do, to get rid of all these foods out of your diet. For me, it's cut and dry. Like, eat these foods as much as you want, eat these foods in moderation, and just don't eat these foods. I've done other elimination diets that are like really complicated, and it's just not fun. So I am doing that one. And if you want to follow this whole journey, I'm filming every single day of my elimination journey, and I'm posting that on Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. So if you guys want like what I'm doing every single day, and like I'm filming recipes over there, and just like how I'm doing the diet and things that I'm eating and things that I'm struggling with, like, it's just, I thought it would be easier to get like a more comprehensive view of what I'm doing with little snippets every single day. So if you guys want to see something kind of like that here, like on YouTube, the longer version content, I could do maybe like a week in the life. If that's something that you guys are interested in, just comment in the comments down below if you guys would be interested in seeing that, like getting deeper into my routine and the foods that I'm eating and how I'm working out and how I'm moving my body and just how I'm meal prepping and how I'm setting myself up for success, like in all those ways, because it's different, especially now that I am drastically eating so differently. So let me know in the comments down below if that's something that you're interested in. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I am excited. I am currently on day, I think, 13. And like I said, when I started this elimination journey, I was limping really bad. My right foot hurt so bad that just like this lightest little touch on my foot was excruciating. Like trying to sleep, my body was just in so much pain. And by day 8, I was walking without a limp. And right now, like I just did that workout class, my foot hurt while I was in the class, like doing jumps, and honestly going from up dog to down dog really hurts my foot because you're like bending it and then coming up and over on it and stuff. But other than that, like my foot is in a really good place. My body's in a really good place, and that's what I'm going for. I'm trying to get into doing more workouts. I've noticed that my body's just really tired this week, and I mean, yesterday was the first day of my period, so it's totally normal that my body's this tired. I also just got done being sick and in a flare, so I'm allowing my body to just kind of rest and recover this week, and I'm picking up workouts where I can. I did an hour-long workout today, and I'm so proud of my body. I've been walking as much as I can, but yeah. So just the proof that the inflammation is going down already makes me so happy. Just like within 8 days, just cutting out all the crap, I'm able to walk, and that's magical to me. So that's it for today's video. I really hope that this video was helpful for you. I hope that you learned something new maybe, or if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys are interested in doing an elimination diet, or you want to do it with a group, when I do my programs, I guide women through a 30-day elimination journey, but in a group of people, because not everyone has like a supportive spouse or a sister or a friend that wants to do it with them, and it can be really challenging doing something like this by yourself. So I like to guide a group so that we can meet weekly and we can share our successes and our struggles and do it together and have like a group chat going at all the time, you know, so that if you need support, you have that. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, I will leave a link down below that you guys can get on the wait list for that, because it's incredible, and I open it up from time to time when I get enough people that are interested in that program. So that link will be listed down below for you. Don't forget to follow Instagram stories and YouTube shorts wherever you guys are watching. And if this was content that was helpful for you or you enjoyed it, it would mean the world to me if you would like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here, for all your love and support. You guys mean the world to me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.